Good day parts. Ito po yung Sunday bar powder natin na certified pure barley. No added sweetener. Ano guys, parts meron siya itong halal certified. Tapos certified by BioGrow na organic siya na barley. And then super brands po siya. Yan, ito na po yung barley natin. And ito po yung mga vitamins at minerals na meron siyang zinc, magnesium, vitamin B9, B3, vitamin C, vitamin A, iron, potassium, protein. Yan, may sodium, ayan, cholesterol. Ayan guys. Thank you very much po guys. Ito po yung support natin daily. Sana mag-order kayo guys. Order na po. Order na order.